I have a lot of people as we're connecting and just kind of brainstorming about goals. They're like, well, Josh, where would you buy? What kind of house would you buy? If you were to do it all over again, what would you do? And so I thought that I'd shoot just a quick video kind of giving you my opinion of what I would prefer and what I would buy, where I would buy, and what I would buy. Oftentimes I am very hesitant to share my opinion because I'm not going to be the one purchasing the house or living with you. So my opinion doesn't really matter. But if I have 6 kids, the oldest is 13, the youngest is 1 year old. Okay, we have no pets and we homeschool. So schools specifically are not critically important to us. First and foremost, I would focus on the overall location in town and what I would want to be close to. I like being close to the beach and also close to the river. So communities like Silverleaf, like Shearwater, like Rivertown, Beacon Lake, all of those sound appealing to me. Even Creekside, Nocatee, naturally. I like a lot of them. Shearwater and Silverleaf kind of stand out to me. The second thing I would look at is the lot itself. I would like a nice large lot, probably a 70-foot wide home site, but even more importantly, the location of the home site and the direction and the specifics about that home site. I like privacy, so I prefer to back up to nature conservation of trees, beautiful tree conservation. Even better is if it backed up to a nice size man-made pond with trees on the other side. So then I'd get the best of both worlds. But I really was shy away from anybody being able to see us and our family from our backyard. On a cul-de-sac, without a doubt, I would love to be on a cul-de-sac, backing up to a pond, backing up to woods, in a large yard. That gets me really excited. Now, the actual style home that I prefer is largely a 1-story home, the master on the first floor with the bonus suite upstairs. And that would probably be 5 bedrooms plus the bonus with an office downstairs likely. 3.5 bathrooms probably would be fine with a 3-car garage, which would be a necessity. As far as, and then a very large outdoor living space. So a big extended covered lanai that would all be screened in, and then probably extend a paver patio beyond that. Because it's nice to be outside standing on pavers and not be forced to stand on the grass. So if you have a screened in lanai, naturally you're going to be in there on the lanai concrete floor. But once you step out on the grass, it changes things. Like, people don't generally like to hang out and just stand around or on grass. But if you have an extended paver patio, that just adds to the livable area. And then finally, builders, I'm good with a lot of the builders here. A lot of the builders, especially in these master plan communities, have wonderful experiences and quality. A lot of them have very, very similar quality. A couple of the builders that really stand out to me, that get me interested and excited, would be David Weekley, Toll Brothers, Mastercraft, Dosty, and those are the ones that really hit the high points with me. So for what it's worth, if you're interested in what Josh's opinion are from my personal family, total square footage would probably be between 3,000 to 3,500 square feet. That would be perfect for our family. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that. Story time with Mr. Rogers is over. Get back to work.